and here you will find the foreground and the background color, and here you will find the color panel and the swatches and gradients panel, and you can find different patterns as well. So if you don't find these options, you can go to window and like select those options. Here as you can see there is color under window, you have to like select it, so you will get the whole panel. And these two are like background and foreground color. You can like switch between them by pressing clicking on here this arrow icon, and it will change the background and foreground color. So if you want to change your like the foreground color, then you can select, double click on here and select colors from here by using the color panel, or you can like double click on here as well. Or if you are like in a certain color right now, you can foreground color, then you can just choose from select the color from here as well. It will change in here too. And you can like once you have like selected a foreground color, you can bring the background color in front and you can select a background color. So now this is working as a foreground color. Let me show you by using a brush. But if you want it this one to be the foreground, then click on here. As you can see, this one is now the foreground and this one is the background. So this is a way to like select colors, or you can select colors by staying in foreground mode. Suppose you want to change color in foreground mode, then stay in foreground. Like you want to change this to another color, then you have to go to swatches and like you can select your color that you wanna use as the foreground color. And if you want a background color, you can bring the background color front and select that. Select a color from swatches or colors or gradients, anything, then take it back to background again, as you can see here. And there is another thing which is like in text, you can select the text color according to your needs, which is you can select text color from this panel, which could be completely different from your foreground and background color. As you can see, I have selected a text color. Let me make it larger. So as you can see, I have made this text in black by choosing the text color from here. Choosing text color won't affect your background and foreground color. So that's how you basically select colors in Photoshop. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.